Now, Kerncast 23 with Colin Jackson.
Our weather's been a little strange here. It's summer over the weekend.
It was very hot over the weekend, and now we're going back down the other way. Colin?
Yeah, we tied and broke some records on Sunday. It was a hot one. Highs in the upper 90s. Some places touched 100 in the desert. It was absolutely out of control. And here's how the national map looks right now. When you look to the northeast, that is how a nor'easter looks in April. Rain on one side, freezing rain on the northeast side, and snow on the south side. So that's the problem for them. On the east coast, there's not much going on between, well, New York and here, really. Just some showers firing up, and that's about it. We have this low that's going to make its move starting late Tuesday evening into Wednesday morning and Wednesday afternoon, and we should see some rain from this as it moves onshore. But today was gorgeous, 10 degrees more, cooler than yesterday, down about 15 degrees. So as this next storm comes in, rainfall totals, it's kind of dicey with this one. It depends on where the low goes. Some models want to keep it Southern California through Palm Springs. Some want to bring it a little closer to us. So we're going to go with the closer to us scenario just in case it happens. And we're looking at rainfall totals potentially on the valley floor. You know, usually we get a tenth or so, but it may be a quarter of an inch to half. And of course more in the foothills. In terms of snow, we're not going to close down the schools with this one, Tehachapi, we don't think, because the snow level is going to be very high, about 8,500 feet to start, and dropping off to 6,500 feet by Thursday late. So it looks like you're going to school, okay, on Wednesday. Look at this, though. Here's the live radar loop, and you can see over the last little while, when you look to the east and you see those big towering cumulus clouds, that's what we have near Lake Isabella, which is right here. So maybe a sprinkle near there, but mainly focused to our north and, of course, towards Yosemite as well. But that will be on the increase tomorrow as this moves through to the east and that low starts to move in. We start to cloud up late tomorrow night. All right, here's the nitty-gritty. Our Futurecast computer model starting tonight at 11 o'clock, and we're zipping through Tuesday because we're not expecting much except clouds in front of the rain before it gets here. But this computer model showing a substantial amount of rainfall moving on to the coast by Wednesday morning, and here we are in the afternoon. Now, it looks very impressive here, but sometimes these models don't really hold true, but we're going to go with at least a version of this and say that we're going to have rain. In terms of it being very heavy, we're going to wait for one more day and get a better grasp on things by the time we get to Wednesday. But the Southland, especially Southern California, Los Angeles to the Palm Springs area, could get quite a bit of rainfall. Today's high was still hot for this time of year, about 10 degrees above average, 86, 77 is the norm. And there's that record that stands from 1910, so we're okay there. Other temperatures were in the 80s as well, but you can see the marine layer pushed on south, and it was a cloudy, cool day in Los Angeles, with highs only in the 60s. Our high, 81, and a northwest wind at 14 miles per hour. So it's a nice breeze, 72 Tehachapi, 82 in Porterville, 81 in Wasco as we speak, and a nice breeze blowing through at around 10 to 15 miles per hour and kicking up stronger at times. Tomorrow, cloudy across the state, 65 late in San Francisco with some drizzle, 70 in Yosemite, and we've got low 60s in the Southland. It's going to be a June gloom day in April before the rain arrives there by, we think, the afternoon time frame. Wednesday, I should say. 73 Disneyland. We've got upper 70s to 80 in our area. Northwest winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And a little cooler in the mountains and foothills still, but still a nice day. I mean, 66 in Tehachapi isn't bad for this time of year. And to the deserts we go, where it'll be much cooler. Temperatures in the upper 70s to mid 80s. Southwest winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour. So tonight, mostly clear, gorgeous, 59. And tomorrow's high around 80, increasing clouds late in the day, and a northwest wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour kicking up later on in the afternoon. Air quality stays moderate, that's good. And our 7-day forecast has healthy rainfall chances for Wednesday, Thursday, if you're thinking about this coming weekend.
Oh, that's nice.
Looks good.
Yeah.
Not as that was kind of torture, wasn't it, this weekend?
Yeah, it was a little balmy.
Yeah.
Above 90 gets a little
Yeah, in April,
much.
oh no, it's
Yeah.
here. It's here. No, summer's not here yet. And the rainfall chances look good for the mountains as well. Don't worry about the snow level, it's going to be pretty high.
But making good on your prediction, our kids did jump in the pool.
Yay! Where's the video?
Did they stay? The question is, did they swim or did they jump right out?
One got right back out, the other stayed in.
Good stuff.